Hi there, I'm Isabella, and welcome to Clockdiary, your go-to time tracking and timesheet management tool. Today, let's explore the time recorder feature of Clockdiary. Tracking your work hours is simple and efficient. You can choose according to your requirement between automatic timer mode or manual entry to log your time accurately. Plus, you can select your project, set labels, and mark it as billable or non-billable, all in just a few clicks. Let's get started. To access your account, go to the Clockdiary homepage and hit the Sign In button at the top right corner. Once you're on the Sign In page, enter your correct credentials in the respective fields. After that, just hit the Login button and you'll be redirected to the main dashboard. On the main dashboard, click on the hamburger icon to open the sidebar menu. From there, click on Time Recorder to open the Time Recorder dashboard. To track your time accurately, the very first step is to make sure that the time recorder is set to the correct work zone. This ensures your work hours are logged correctly and helps you stay organized. Let me walk you through the dashboard to quickly understand the time recorder. This will help you easily track your hours and manage your time effortlessly. Initially, you have two modes: timer mode automatic and manual entry. Choose the one that best fits your workflow. First, let's start with manual mode. Manually tracking work hours gives you full control. With manual mode, you can enter your work hours manually, making it perfect for logging past work or adjusting time entries as needed. The very first step is to enter the details of the project you are working on in this field. This ensures accurate time tracking and organized work logs. Like in my case, I'm entering API integration in the payment functionality as a task. Next, pick a project from the ones assigned to you. Just make sure you select the right one so your time gets logged correctly. In my case, I'm selecting website redesign as a project. Then, select a label, like whether the project is fixed or hourly, to keep your time tracking accurate. Like in my case, I'm selecting hourly project. Next, choose whether the project is billable or non-billable to ensure proper tracking and reporting. Like in my case, I'm selecting billable project. The next step is to add your work hours on a particular task. Like in my case, I'm adding hours from 15 HO to 17 HO. The next step is to choose the date from the calendar. Clockdiary gives you the flexibility to add hours for past dates as well. Like in my case, I'm selecting March 20 and then clicking the Add button. This is the most recent task that we added manually. You can see it listed along with the date, time, and project details. If needed, you can always edit or delete the entry to keep your records accurate. With the help of these three dots, you can easily duplicate or delete the entry for better control over your time logs. If you want to add more hours to an existing entry, you can easily edit it. That's how manual mode works, giving you full control over your time tracking. Just like manual mode, let me explain timer mode. Simply add your task, select your project, mark it as fixed or hourly, choose billable or non-billable, and start the timer. Clockdiary will handle the rest and track your time seamlessly. This is the latest task we worked on, and just like that, Clockdiary quickly adds it to the dashboard, making tracking super easy. You can perform all the same functions here just like in manual mode. You can edit, delete, add hours, or duplicate an existing entry with ease. That's all for today. With Clockdiary's time recorder, tracking your work hours has never been easier. Whether you use manual mode or timer mode, stay productive and stay organized. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.